The Forex Lifestyle Guide.
Good evening. This is Darin Silverstein. I'm currently looking at a 4-hour euro dollar chart. Today is October 7th and the time is 9:54 p.m. We're in Asian session. Just a little bit of analysis here. We've had the euro rally up to this 140.24 area, and now seeing it drop back a bit. We have non-farm payrolls out tomorrow, so we're kind of seeing the market playing in that where it's slowing down. I think everyone's kind of anticipating, waiting for that news to come out. A couple things here though. We've seen it rally up here, as you can see with my laser. I have this area marked here with the 138.01, 138 just to say, and also we have this trend line coming up here. And what I see, it could possibly a couple different scenarios that could possibly play it out here, is one, we're just kind of going to range in here a little bit, waiting for this news to come out. And if this happens, I could see it kind of respecting this trend line over in here, or we could get that move down, and it's going to test this area of 3,800, 138.00, and should get some sort of reaction. Now, if that happens right around the time of the news, well, then all bets are off as far as I'm concerned. If it's hanging around this area right before the news comes out, I'm probably not going to trade it. However, if it does come down here, if it breaks this trend line overnight into early London, I think we're going to see significant fall through. I think that's going to bring out some sellers, and we're going to have a couple of different floors to bust through before we see a big move down. I see also, I drew some fibs on here. This 23 I don't see too significant other than this area here. As it came up, you can see it ranged in that area. Let me get some circles on here. These are the reasons I'm looking at the 3,800, and this is a sign, that little area right there, this little area right here, of where the 23 you could look at and say it's been respected. However, I don't think that's going to be that strong. A move down further to this other blue line could see some support there. But this one, the 38 fib, I see is pretty significant. I don't know if we're going to get down there tomorrow. I would doubt it. That's a pretty big move. Well, let's just say it's very unlikely it's going to get down there, but maybe next week. But this level, it's 38 level, and you can also see this. As it came up, played around with it for a while, and this is a 4-hour chart, so it was there for a while, and not being able to break through for a while. Once it did, then it worked out, and up it went. This area up here, it hit this 3,800, backed away from it. Here it came back and went right into the trend line and back up again. Once it broke through, came back, tested it for support, and away it went. So overall, if this trend line gets breached and it goes through, I think we're going to see some selling going on. But there again, we have non-farm payrolls out tomorrow, and all bets are off. So we'll see what happens. Thanks.
The Forex Lifestyle Guide.